In this segment of this video, we are going to see how you can create your flow using Power Automate. So let me share my screen and let me go in templates. So we are going to create a flow using available templates. So I'm going to pick a template which is very relevant to any business, and let's select a template. I think this is the very good example because here a form will be submitted. In many businesses you have a form, like you have a support form, you have a feedback form, and you want that a task should be created in Planner, and also a message should be posted in Microsoft Teams. So this is very good example if you want to create a support for your business. So I'm going to use it, and here you can see these three applications are involved, and that's why you can see here. So as I already logged in using my login, and that's why you can see tick sign here. But if you are not logged in, you will see plus sign here. So you will click on plus and give your connection. You can also change your connection from here. So let me click on continue, and here I will select a form. So I have these many forms, but I'm going to select a form, support form. Again, I will use a form that is support form, and I will use a demo plan, and planner title should be new task for support issue. So that is whatever you want you can add here. We'll also talk about how you can create dynamic titles, but for now we'll go with this, and we will use, might be we can use Sandeep's demo, and then I will use general, and then I will click on create. So now your flow is created. So in next video we'll see how you can run the flow and how you can edit the flow.